but also connecting us to the vibrant traditions of our land. A special thanks to their mentors and choreographers for guiding them to such perfections. Thank you.
Now, we move forward to the most anticipated segment of the evening, the presentation of the annual reports of all sections. These reports reflect the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our students throughout the academic year 2024-25. It is my honor to invite the respective representatives of each section to the stage to present their section report. Let us hear about the remarkable progress, accomplishments, and growth that has shaped this year.
Good evening, everybody. I am Shalmali Shailesh Jadhav from Pioneer Pre-Primary English School. I would like to present the annual report. School is the second home for all of us to learn, to make friends, and to become the responsible citizen of tomorrow. This is the sacred place to learn moral values and good conduct. This wonderful world has made our lives wonderful and colorful too. We celebrated the colors of rainbow by wearing colorful dresses in the school. We also celebrated different religious and national festivals with full enthusiasm and learn about the importance of universal brotherhood. Different competitions were organized by the school like dot-to-dot coloring, Balsabha Utsav, prayer and shlokas, word power, etc., which made us confident. Sport keeps us physically fit and healthy. Our school arranged different types of sports events. Students enjoy a lot. Now we are looking forward for the picnic in the month of January. The students had a golden opportunity to participate in Navikaran Inter-School Talent Fest, and our school bagged the runner-up trophy. Now I would request Darshan to continue.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Shalmali. I am Darshan Ramesh. Would like to continue the annual report. We are enjoying Hot Snacks Day on every Friday. Variety of mouth-watering as well as healthy food stops made us aware of the word balanced diet. Now we are looking forward for our graduation day too, which will ensure our entry into the primary section, where we will continue to bloom and face all competition with the right competitive spirit. I am privileged and blessed to be a member of Pioneer family. Thank you. I now request my friend Aradhya from primary section to continue. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ms. Bingadevi Aradhya Pradeep from Standard 4th. My friend and I are here to present the annual report for the academic year 2024 and 25 from the primary section. Let my friend introduce himself too.
Good evening, respected dignitaries, madam, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Master Tanmay Parshuram of Standard 4. Our annual report gives glimpses of the records and achievements for our schools throughout the academic year. At the outset, let me tell you all about the academic. Beginning a new chapter in our school's journey, we are thrilled to announce the introduction of a Spanish language lab, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the management for making this visionary initiative a reality. Our school places a strong emphasis on activities and projects recognizing their benefits in fostering practical learning, creativity, teamwork, and the overall development of students. Students who excelled in academic were felicitated by Let Shri Bapu Saheb Pathak Memorial and Let Shri DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prizes. Remedial teaching was conducted to develop the basic skills of literacy and numeracy. We appear for various competitive exams such as Maharashtrian Handpicked exam and Silver Zone Olympiad exam in order to strive for academic excellence and cultivate a spirit of healthy competition. Apart from exams, a plethora of co-curricular activities were conducted throughout the year for our holistic development. May I now request Aradhya to continue.
Thank you, Tanmay. We received a warm welcome to our favorite cartoon characters on the school reopening day. In first semester, we had the following competition: collage making competition, poster making competition, Bal Sabha Utsav, creative art competition, spell bee competition, logic kids aptitude test, and fancy dress competition with the following themes: Standard first, Animal Kingdom; Standard second, Sports Star; Standard third, Environmental Heroes; and Standard fourth, Mythological Characters. Also a fun-filled No School Bag Day was organized to encourage creative learning and hands-on activities outside regular studies. In second semester, we had story narration competition, elocution competition, poetry recitation competition, and mono acting competition. Many religious and national festivals were celebrated on time to time with zest and enthusiasm. Excursions have been made an integral part of our curriculum in order to foster a sense of camaraderie and enhance our social bond. We are anxiously looking forward to our excursion schedule for the next month. Workshops and seminars were conducted to provide us with real-world application of academic concepts. After 37 years of dedicated service, our dear office staff member Shrimati Save ma'am got retired, leaving behind a legacy of hard work and commitment. Also, the Lion Clubs of Bombay organized an eye checkup camp to promote our eye health. We are thankful to them for providing us free vision screenings.
At the end, we are highly grateful for your patient listening.
Now, I hand over the mic to Miss Akansha Moria from Standard 9 to continue the annual report of secondary section.
Thank you. We hope you enjoy this great day.
Thank you, Aradhya and Tanmay. Good evening to all the respected dignitaries, principal madam, teachers, dear parents, and all my dear friends. I'm Miss Akanksha Maurya from Standard 9th.
And I am Master Aryan Ruchil Deshmukh from Standard 9th. we will together present annual report of secondary section
of
2024 to 25.
Our annual report gives glimpses of the activities and achievements of our school throughout the academic year. Glad to share that we had witnessed 100% success of the SSC students for 25 consecutive years. We had also achieved one of our students had secured 96.20%. Most of the students had secured distinction and first class. We are immensely glad to share that our respected principal madam, Shrimati Anila Jacob, and our respected teacher, Mrs. Jignasa Save, had been bestowed with the Exemplary Educated Awards for their sincere contributions in molding young minds, and our office staff member, Mr. Prabhakar Mandavkar sir, had been honored for his dedicated service by Lions Club of Kandivali East. Academics, unit tests and semester exams were conducted from regular time to time, and remedial coaching was arranged to overcome the difficulties of the students. One prelim would be there in the month of January 2025. Now, I would update you about the school-level co-curricular activities and competitions conducted for all sections. International Yoga Day, Investitures Ceremony, Father's Day, Tree Plantation Activity, Sanskrit Day, Reading Motivation Day, Children's Day, wherein students were shown 2 motivational movies were conducted for all the sections of the school. Parents competition, parents creative art competition and parents talent show were conducted for all sections where parents showcased their talents. Now my friend Aryan would update us.
Various co-curricular activities and competitions were conducted to sensitize the students and to inculcate competitive spirit among the students. In the first semester, chart making, poem recitation, best out of waste, Rakhi making for our brave soldiers, poster making, wall hanging, story narration, elocution, extempore, creative art, and Balsama Utsav competitions were conducted. Hindi Divas was also celebrated. In the second semester, prayers and shlokas, skits based on social awareness, quiz and projects made on PC competitions were conducted. Constitution Day was also celebrated. We will also celebrate Grandparents Day, National Voters Day, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti, Marathi Divas and Science Day. Annual sports meet was organized in which students displayed their great sportsman spirit. Events like running race, shot put, sack race, lemon and spoon race, frog race, kabaddi, etc. were conducted for all the sections of the school. Parent sports meet was organized in which parents displayed their competitive spirit in different sports events like hula hoop race, sack race, langdi race, and kneading the flour race. Now my friend Akanksha will update us.
Seminars and workshops. Seminars and workshop arranged for the students, parents and staff were workshop on waste sorting by BMC for the students of standard 3rd to 8, workshop on awareness about personal hygiene by Lions Club of Kandivali East for the girls of standard 8 to 10th, seminar on National Immunization Awareness and World Microbiome Day by Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College for the students of standard 7 to 9th, aptitude test and workshop by Career Launcher for the students of standard 10th, seminar on TB sensitization by the BMC Public Department Health for the students of standard 6 to 10th, workshop on mental health awareness by Rotary Club of Lokhandwala Kandivali for the staff, workshop for teachers regarding government scholarship examinations was attended by 2 teachers from our school. Workshop on understanding children's mental health was organized by Rotary Club of Lokhandwala Kandivali for the parents. Excursion and picnic. Excursion and picnic would be arranged in the month of January 2025 for the students of standard 5th to 10th. Inter-school competitions. Various inter-school competitions in which students participated and achieved laurels were NIE Student of the Year Award, Ms. Guptanayan Guddu and Ms. Vajrekar Aditi Ajay of Standard 10th had bagged awards for their outstanding academic performance in Standard 9th. Dr. Homi Baba Bal Vaidyanik Competitions 2023-24, Master Kashit Samadhan Kshitij, Master Kasude Yash Dattatre and Master Berwani Harshal Dilip of Standard 7th had excelled in the competition. NIE Scrapbook on Current Affairs competition, Ms. Rajput Purnima Avdesh Kumar of Standard 9th was the winner of the competitions. Around 50 students participated from our school. Now my friend Aryan will continue.
R East Ward Level Co-Curricular Activities Competition. Ms. Maurya Akanksha Avdesh of Standard 9 bagged third prize in drawing both at ward level and zonal level. R East Ward Level Science Exhibition. Our senior group science project Tech to the Rescue has been awarded third prize at ward level. Ms. Maurya Akanksha Avdesh of Standard 9th bagged third prize in English essay writing competition at ward level. Pre-upper primary and pre-secondary scholarship examination 2023-24. 3 students from Standard 5th and 7 students from Standard 8 will receive scholarship stipend for their outstanding performance. Now my friend Akanksha will continue.
Vivek Utsav conducted by the Ramakrishna Mission Khar. We bagged 2 third prizes in senior group English elocution, second prize in junior group Sanskrit recitation, third prize in junior group Hindi elocution, consolation prize in junior group Marathi elocution, third prize in junior group drawing competition and second prize in senior group drawing competitions. Nityanjali Fest, our school bagged 52 prizes in drawing, English elocution, English, Hindi and Marathi recitation, English, Hindi and Marathi handwriting, English and Hindi storytelling, fancy dress, western solo dance and group dance competitions. Maharashtra Rajya Jawahar Bal Bhavan competitions, Ms. Jadhav Shalmali Shailesh of senior KG bagged first prize in fancy dress and Ms. Divekar Arya Anil of standard 8 bagged consolation prize in drawing competitions. Nirman Pratishtan All India Drawing Competition Rang 24, our school bagged 6 silver medals and 2 bronze medals. Now my friend Aryan will continue.
Mohalla Committee Movement Trials Competitions. Ms. Maurya Akanksha Avdesh of Standard 9 bagged first prize in poster making competitions. Sports Laurels. Master Naikale Vedant Praveen of Standard 9 secured second position in shot put under 17 at DSO competition. He also bagged gold medal in shot put under 16 at 45th Prabodhan Krida Mahotsav. The students of standard 5th to 10th were also the recipients of Late Shri Bapu Saheb Smarak Committee prizes and Late Shri DJ Paranspe prizes for their outstanding academic performances. Navneet Drawing Competitions. Many students had excelled in Navneet Drawing Competitions. Now my friend will update us.
We had participated in Maharashtra Dhyanpith, Maths, GK and Drawing Examination and English, Science, Maths and Drawing Olympiad examinations. The students of KG section participated in the Olympiad examinations for the first time. We also look forward to participate in Bal Mahotsav conducted by Swami Shri Prem Puri Ji Ashram Trust in the month of January 2025. Last year we bagged third best school trophy in Bal Mahotsav. We also look forward to participate in Sanskrit Samvardhan exam and value empowerment contest. Thus, the academic year 2024-25 had a perfect blend of academics and co-curricular activities. We have been consistently achieving our goals by constant motivation and unwavering support of the management, staff and the unconditional support of the parents. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now Master Tiwari Satyam of college section will continue.
Thank you, Akansha. A very good evening to everyone present over here. I, Satyam Tiwari, and my partner Vanchika are here to present the annual report of Pioneer Junior College Commerce Section. Our annual report gives glimpse of all the activities and achievements of our college throughout the year. We have around 132 students in our college commerce section. We have overall achieved 85.41% results in the HSC Maharashtra Board examinations. Academics. Academics is the fundamental focus of our institute. All the required efforts are carried out to ensure excellence. We believe that excellence is the key to success. Regular tests, examinations are conducted to overcome the difficulties of the students. To encourage the students and recognize their capabilities, the HSC rankers were awarded with prize money in the memory of late Srimati Kamal Dattatreya Padhyay Madam by our management. Now I would like Vanchika to continue.
Co-curricular activities and competition. Various co-curricular activities were performed throughout the year to inculcate competitive spirits and for the holistic development of the students. A number of co-curricular activities and curricular activities were performed throughout the year like International Yoga Day, Father's Day, Environment Conservation Day, Freshers Party, Navratri celebration, Diya and Aarti Thali decoration, wall hanging and toran making, Rangoli and Mehendi, prayers and sloks competition and annual sport meet. Health awareness. Our college in collaboration with Lions Club of India organized health awareness program. In this program, the students were informed about the vital organ diseases and their remedies. Now I would like Satyam to continue.
Educational programs. The book exhibition was organized on 10th of October 2024 to give the students of the college an idea about the collection of books that the school library has. We also have a list of stock exchange seminar in the month of January with association with Brokers Forum. The main objective of this seminar is to gain knowledge about the capital market. Career guidance. Many career guidance seminars were organized for the 12th standard students to inspire and guide them about their future. Mr. Nishi sir, a well-educated professor from Fly High Aviation, guided the students about their future scopes in aviation sector. A representative from Parul University also inspired the students about their future scopes after their 12th standard examinations. Inter-house competitions. Apart from many in-house competitions, our college students also participated in many inter-house competitions, such as the Kabaddi team participated in DSO Kabaddi competition at Goregaon West, and the cricket team participated in DSO cricket competition at Oval Ground, CST. Now I would like Vanchika to continue.
Conclusion. The academic year 2024 to 25 is a perfect blend of academics and co-curricular activities. We have been consistently achieving our goals through persistent motivation and enthusiastic support of the management, principal madam, staff and unconditional cooperations of the parents. Thank you.
Thank you to all our section representatives for sharing these inspiring and insightful reports. Your dedication and hard work truly reflect the spirit of our school, and we are deeply grateful for your commitment to the growth and success of our students. At this moment, I would like to request our esteemed principal, Mrs. Anila Jacob, and our respected head teacher, Mrs. Rakhi Nair, to kindly escort the dignitaries to the dais. I would like to request our esteemed principal, Mrs. Anila Jacob, and our respected head teacher, Mrs. Rakhi Nair, to kindly escort the dignitaries to the dais. Their presence here today adds great value to this event, and it is our honor to have them with us. Please join me in welcoming them with a warm round of applause as they proceed to the stage. Now, I would like to call upon our esteemed teachers, Debelina ma'am and Richa ma'am, to kindly come forward for the introduction and felicitation of our distinguished guest.
Thank you, Shraddha teacher. Very good evening to one and all. It is a great privilege for me to introduce the eminent dignitaries who have graced our annual day program. It is a great honor to have Sri Umesh Kumar Rustagi sir as our chief guest. Sir is the director of Nehru Science Centre, Mumbai since 28 July 2022. Sir is a postgraduate in physics from Kurukshetra University and has had a distinguished career as a luminary member of the National Council of Science Museums under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. During his tenure in NCSM at various science centers, Sir has been extensively involved in educational programs and headed the education section of various centers. Sir has also been involved in developing exhibitions and galleries such as Science of Ocean, Science for Children, Hall of Computing, Story of the Poles, Ends of the Art, Climate Change, etc. Sir has been phenomenally successful in developing several educational kits and coordinated innumerable national level events for popularization of science like National Science Drama Festival. Sir has also been involved in translation of a couple of books and writing articles in newspapers and magazines, include the in-house magazine, SciMail at Nehru Science Centre. It is our privilege to have such a distinguished dignitary for our annual day function. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion, and I would request Sri Prakash Nalavade, sir, Honorary Secretary of Pioneer Education Trust and President of today's program, to felicitate sir with a token of gratitude. And audience, please put your hands together and extend a very warm welcome to our distinguished guest. Thank you, sir. It is also a great pleasure to have Mr. Saurav Vinayak Valvaikar as our guest of honor. He is an alumni member. He is an electronics and telecommunication engineer. He has also pursued MBA in Information Management from KG Somaya Institute of Management Studies and Research. He has been working in IT sector for around 9 years. He is currently working as IT project engineer with MMR Research Worldwide. He had also been part of multinational companies like Bureau Happold Engineering and Capgemini India Private Limited. His professional growth has been astounding. We wish you all good luck for your future endeavors. A warm welcome to you, Saurav. And again, once again, I would request Sri Prakash Nalavade, sir, President of today's program, to kindly felicitate and bless Mr. Saurav Valvaikar.
DJ Asif
Thank you,
SK.
sir. Now, my colleague, Mrs. Richa Jain, Miss, will continue.
Good evening, everyone. We are privileged to have among us Sri Prakash Nalavade, sir, Honorary Secretary of Pioneer Education Trust and President of today's function. Sir is a civil engineer. Sir is the Chairman of Chembur Education Society. Sir has also worked as a committee member of Bal Vikas Sangh Chembur. A visionary leader and a guiding force, Sir has been instrumental in uplifting the standards of education and fostering culture of learning and growth. Sir's unwavering commitment to provide quality education has played a pivotal role in shaping the institution's direction, ensuring that every student receives the best opportunity to excel. Sir's efforts in fostering an environment conducive to learning have been a source of inspiration for both educators and students alike. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion. I would request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Anila Jacob, to felicitate sir with a token of gratitude. Thank you, ma'am.
It is my pleasure to introduce Mrs. Ria Sarkale ma'am, the dedicated manager admin of Pioneer Education Trust. Ma'am's commitment to excellence and her proactive approach to problem solving have made her an invaluable part of our Pioneer family. I extend a warm welcome to you, ma'am, and I would request you to please come to the dais, and I would request our principal ma'am to kindly felicitate Ria ma'am. All of you please put your hands together and give a warm welcome to ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It gives me immense pleasure to have among us Srimati Rekha Rohira Madam, our former principal of our school, MLRT Gala Pioneer English School and Pioneer Junior College. Madam has given her glorious 28 years to our institute and has left no stone unturned to build an institute of great repute. Her vision has nurtured the institute to grow and flourish. Ma'am, we welcome you with wholeheartedly. I would request, Madam, I would request the President of today's function, Shri Prakash Nalavade sir, to kindly felicitate Madam. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
We also are honored to have among us Mr. Vinayak Valvaikar sir and Mrs. Vrushali Valvaikar ma'am, proud parents of Mr. Saurav Valvaikar. I would request sir and ma'am to kindly come to the dais, and I would request our principal ma'am to kindly felicitate them. Please come to the dais and put your hands together, audience, for the proud parents. It is a pleasure to have among us Mrs. Rajeshwari Valvaikar, better half of Mr. Saurav Valvaikar. I would request Mrs. Rajeshwari to kindly come to the dais, and I would request Mrs. Rakhi Nair Miss to kindly felicitate her. Once again, audience, put your hands together. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, miss. We are glad to have among us Mrs. Pradnya Ghatkar, ma'am, an assistant teacher from Matunga Alliance Pioneer English School. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Would you please come to the dais? And I would request our principal, ma'am, to kindly felicitate Pradnya, ma'am. Once again, I want to hear that thunderous applause for our dignitaries and guests. Thank you, ma'am.
It is a great pleasure to have among us past President Mrs. Anita Pandit, Madam, and Ms. Vandana Karande, Madam, from Inner Wheel Club of Bombay, Kandivali. Inner Wheel Club is involved in many charitable work. Ma'am, thank you for your presence, and I request you both to please come on the dais. I would request our respected principal, ma'am, and Rakhi Miss to please felicitate Anita ma'am and Vandana ma'am. Audience, Inner Wheel Club would also like to felicitate our principal madam and Mrs. Rakhi Nair Miss, the head teacher of primary section, on this occasion of our annual day. I would request our principal ma'am, Anila Jacob ma'am, to please come forward and accept the token of appreciation. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request the head teacher of primary section, Mrs. Rakhi Nair Miss, to please accept the token of appreciation from Inner Wheel Club.
So, good evening to all the dignitaries out here and guest of honors, principal ma'am, teachers and students and parents also. The annual report which the students submitted was really mesmerizing. A big round of applause for all of you. Students really work hard, but the hard work actually is by the support of all the teachers. And if you have a principal ma'am like Anila Jacob, definitely the school will reach its heights. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Anita ma'am. And thank you, Inner Wheel Club. Now we have among with us, and we are very much glad to have Ms. Himangi Save Madam, former office staff member of our school. Save ma'am has been associated with our institute for 37 long years. Ma'am's dedication is praiseworthy. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am, and I would request you to please come to the dais. And I would request Shri Prakash Nalavade sir to kindly felicitate Save ma'am. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. We are glad to have among us Mr. Leeladhar Kolamkar Bhau, former non-teaching staff member of our school. He has been associated with our institute for 26 years. A very warm welcome to you, Bhav, and I would request you to please come to the dais. And at the same time, I would request Shri Prakash Nalavade sir to kindly felicitate Bhav. Audience, please give them a big round of applause. The kind of work they have done is definitely praiseworthy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhav.
Our PTA members have been our pillar of strength. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our PTA members for their cooperation and support. We would like to felicitate our PTA secretaries, Mr. Manish Naik sir and Mrs. Sanchita Par ma'am. I would request both the secretaries to come to the dais. Both the secretaries, please come to the dais. I would request Mrs. Sanchita Par ma'am to kindly come to the dais. Now once again I would request Shri Prakash Nalavade sir to felicitate our dear PTA members. And this time a loud applause for them. Thank you, sir. We would now felicitate Mr. Prabhakar Mandavkar sir, office staff member, for his dedicated service to this institution. Sir, please come to the dais. And once again, I would request Shri Prakash Nalavade sir to felicitate sir. Thank you, sir, so much.
Now, it is time to felicitate our respected Principal Madam, Mrs. Anila Jacob, whose guidance, motivation and support have helped us to excel in all our endeavors. Thank you, Madam, for your moral support and encouragement. I would request Shri Prakash Nalavade sir to kindly felicitate Ma'am. Audience, I request everyone to give them a big round of applause. They are tirelessly working day in, day out. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. A well-planned, systematic approach of Mrs. Rakhi Nair Miss, head teacher of primary section, has helped the member and students to excel. Thank you, ma'am, for your boundless enthusiasm in all our school events. Again, I would request Shri Prakash Nalavade sir, the president of today's function, to kindly felicitate Rakhi Miss. Audience, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Now we would be moving to our annual prize distribution program. And I would request Mrs. Pooja Singh Miss to kindly come forward.
Now, we move on to the most awaited moment of the evening, the prize distribution ceremony. This segment celebrates the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our students recognizing their excellence in academics, co-curricular activities, and more. Let us applaud their efforts as we honor their success and inspire them to reach greater heights. The first category of awards is the Best Student Awards, which honors students who have excelled not only in academics but also in extra co-curricular activities, embodying discipline, leadership, and dedication throughout the year. These students set a benchmark of excellence for their peers. And to do the honors, may I request the chief guest of today's function, Shri Umesh Rustagi sir, to kindly come forward. And the best students are Miss Jadhav Shalmali Shailesh, best student of senior KG. Parents, please put your hands together as they receive their well-deserved awards. Master Bhowat Rehansh Eknath, best student of standard first. We will take a group photo after the entire segment. Master Bhowat Rehansh Eknath, best student of standard first. Master Das Srijit Surjit, best student of standard second. Miss Kamble Shaurya Ajit, best student of standard third. Parents, please put your hands together. Miss Ghadi Durva Kishore, best student of standard fourth. Master Deshmukh Ishan Ruchir, best student of standard fifth. Master Pujari Omkar Santosh, best student of standard 6. Master Gaude Sarthak Sudhakar, best student of standard 7. Miss Srivastav Mehak Anjul, best student of standard 8. Miss Maurya Akansha Avdesh, best student of standard 9. Miss Suryavanshi Aarti Dhanaji, best student of standard 12. Parents, please keep encouraging the students as they receive their best well-deserved awards. May I request the winners to kindly come forward for the group photograph. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to the next awards. Are to recognize students who have showcased. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Moving on to the next award. Are to recognize students who have showcased exceptional talent, determination, and sportsmanship in various sporting events held throughout the academic year at both school and inter-school level. And to do the honors, may I request the guest of honor of today's function, Mr. Saurabh Vaidwalkar sir, to kindly come forward. The sports champion from primary section are Master Renushri Vihan Sunil from standard 2nd. Miss Ghadi Durva Kishore from standard 4th. From secondary section, the sports champion are Master Naikar Vedant Praveen from standard 9th. Miss Jadhav Samiksha Shivaji from standard 6th. From college section, the sports champion are Master Shahu Bisesh Durga Madhav from standard 12. Miss Savant Niyati Sunil from standard 12. I request the Kabaddi winners of standard 10th, boys to kindly come on the stage. The next winner is Master Naikar Vedant Praveen from Standard 9. He has bagged gold medal in shot put at 45th Prabodhan Krida Mahotsav 2024. 2 bronze medals in shot put at Mumbai Suburban District Athletic Association and National Inter-District Junior Athletics Meets. May I request all the winners to kindly come forward for the group photographs. Congratulations to all the winners.
Now we will felicitate our SSC board outstanding performers. We are extremely happy to announce that our school had witnessed 100% success rate in SSC board exam for 25 consecutive years. It is indeed a great achievement for us. 8 students had secured above 90%. We will be felicitating them and they should be coming one by one to the dais and wait on the opposite side of the podium. And I would request Sri Prakash Nalavade sir to motivate and bless our meritorious students. We will start with 3rd rank holder, Ms. Jadav Arya Jayesh. She has secured 94% marks. She is the recipient of Let Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize, Let Shri Bapu Saheb Phatak Memorial Prize, Let Srimati Geeta Ji Nayak Smriti and Shri S.G. Bappaya Prize, Let Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize for highest marks in social studies. She will receive a cash prize of 1,300. Now we move to the 2nd rank holder. It is jointly won by 2 students. Master Patil Kalpesh Samadhan, 2nd rank. He had secured 95.40%. He is a recipient of Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize, Late Shri Bapu Saheb Phatak Memorial Prize, Late Srimati Geeta Ji Nayak Smriti and Shri S.G. Bappaya Prize. Also, he has secured highest marks in science, mathematics and Sanskrit. Master Kumar Atharva Kamlesh, he also stood 2nd in SSC board exam. He secured 95.40%. He is a recipient of Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize, Late Shri Bapu Saheb Phatak Memorial Prize and Late Shri Srimati Geeta Ji Nayak Smriti and Shri S.G. Bappaya Prize. He has received a prize, cash prize of 1,075. Now, 1st rank holder, Ms. Pandey Khushi Ashish. She had secured a whopping 96.20% and she will be receiving a cash prize of 3,260 rupees. And she will be also receiving a prize of Sri Lakshman N. Bandekar Prize for scoring highest marks among the girls. Next is Master Yadav Shubham Vijay Bahadur, who is a recipient of Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize for securing highest in Hindi. Next is Master Singh Prasang Satyendra. He is a recipient of Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize for scoring highest in English in the board exam. Ms. Savant Tanvi Vittal, Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize for scoring highest in English. Ms. Tiwari Janvi Jaiprakash, recipient of Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize for scoring highest in English. Ms. Jadav Rishika Shivaji is a recipient of Late Shri Guru DJ Paranjpe Memorial Prize for scoring highest in Marathi. Now we would be moving to our HSC outstanding performers. Before that, I would request all the SSC students to kindly come forward for a photo session. And I would request all the Thank you. Sir, please wait back. Nalavade sir, please wait back. We would be felicitating our HSC board outstanding performers. We are glad to share that our college section had witnessed 85.41% success rate in HSC board examination commerce section. Master Mane Tejas Rajendra, third rank holder in HSC board examination. He had secured 75.83%. He is the recipient of Srimati Kamal D. Padhai Memorial Prize, which consists a cash prize of ₹300. Master Chauhan Jalesh Shure, second rank holder in HSC board examination. He has secured 78.67% and is receiving a cash prize of ₹900. Thank you, sirs.
Now, it's time to celebrate the achievements of our students in diverse inter-school competition ranging from academics to cultural and artistic events. Their talents and efforts have brought laurels to our school, showcasing their multifaceted skills. And to do the honors, may I once again request the chief guest of today's function, Shri Umesh Kumar Rustagi sir, to kindly come forward. The winners at Swami Shri Prempuriji Trust Bal Mahotsav 2024 are Miss Savant Purva Rupesh from Standard 4th for first prize in paper bag decoration. Parents, please put your hands together. Miss Patil Arya Deepak from Standard 7, third prize in best out of waste. Parents, please keep encouraging our students. Miss Nikam Vinanti Nandkumar from Standard 9 for first prize in wall hanging. Miss Maurya Akansha Avdesh from Standard 8 for first prize in cartoon sketch. Miss Jadhav Shalmali Shailesh from Junior KG, third prize in show and tell. Third prize in flower arrangement, group activity, Miss Gupta Nayan Guddu. Third prize in flower arrangement, Miss Gupta Nayan Guddu, Miss Chandan Diksha Bhaskar, Miss Gurnule Divya Suresh, Miss Nikam Vinanti Nandkumar, and last but not the least, their mentor, our star teacher, Miss Savant Sonali Santosh, the art teacher. Parents, please put your hands together as they receive their well-deserved awards. I request all the winners to come forward for the group photo. Akansha. I would kindly request Shri Umesh Kumar Rustagi sir to kindly stay back, and for the next award, may I also request our Honorary Secretary of Pioneer Education Trust and the President of today's function, Prakash Nalavade sir, to kindly come forward and do the honors. It's a moment of immense pride and joy as we announce that our school has secured the prestigious third best school trophy at Bal Mahotsav 2024, organized by the esteemed Swami Shri Prempuriji Trust. This remarkable achievement reflects the collective effort, talents and dedication of our students and staff who competed across various categories and excelled with distinction. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Rustagi sir. I would request Nalavadi sir to kindly continue with the honors. Now it's time to honor the students who excelled in RS Ward and zonal level competition, standing out among participants from multiple schools. Their achievements highlight their dedication and competitive spirit. Miss Maurya Akansha Avdesh from Standard 9, third prize in drawing competition at RS Ward and Zonal Shahashalai Upakram. Miss Maurya Akansha Avdesh from Standard 9, third prize in essay writing competition at RS Ward Science Exhibition. Akansha. Again, Akansha again for third prize in essay writing competition at RS Ward Science Exhibition. We have back third prize in senior science project at RS Ward Science Exhibition, and the winners are Miss Pandey Urvashi Ashish, Miss Maurya Akansha Avdesh, and Mrs. Trivedi Shraddha Rakesh, our science teacher. Thank you, sir.
Our PTA would also like to felicitate our SSC board outstanding performers. I would request Mr. Manish Naik sir and Mrs. Sanchita Par ma'am to once again come to the dais to felicitate our SSC board outstanding performers. SSC board students, rank holders, be ready. Ms. Pandey Khushi Ashish, first rank holder in SSC board examination. She will be receiving a cash prize of ₹1000 through PTA. Khushi, please wait on the other side. Master Patil Kalpesh Samadhan, second rank holder. He will be receiving a cash prize of ₹750. Master Kumar Atharva Kamlesh, second rank holder in the board examination. He will also receive a cash prize of ₹750. Ms. Jada Varia Jaivesh, third rank holder. She will be receiving a cash prize of ₹500. Now, I would request all the students to kindly come forward for the photo session. Khushi, please come to the other side. I would request the PTA secretaries to be on the stage. We will be now felicitating our scholarship students who are done brilliantly in their scholarship exam, pre-upper primary scholarship exam. Master Gangan Arnav Sunil of Standard 5th, Master Vishwakarma, Master Pujare Omkar Santosh of Standard 5th. They have done outstanding in their scholarship exam. Now we move to pre-secondary scholarship exam. Miss Maurya Akanksha Avdesh, Standard 8. They are getting their prizes for last year's scholarship exam. Bhatkat Gaurav Aniket. Miss Kumhar Nivati Kamlesh, Miss Pandey Urvashi Ashish, Master Yesterday Dev Premay, Master Reggie Renson, Miss Yavge Sara Praveen. Now scholarship students, please come forward for a photo session. All the students please come together. All the students come together. Parents winners are now requested to assemble at the backstage. Parents who will be receiving prizes, please assemble in the backstage.
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Mr. Nayak. Thank you, Mrs. Pawar. Parents are an integral part of our school community, and we believe in giving them the opportunity to showcase their talents. Their active participation enriches our school events and foster a strong bond between the school and families. It is a great pleasure that we now announce the winners of parents' competitions. And to do the honors, may I once again request the Honorary Secretary of Pioneer Education Trust and the President of today's function, Shri Prakash Nalawade sir, to kindly come forward. And the winners are Mrs. Baide Neelam, first prize in painting competition. Mr. Pawar Sandeep, second prize in painting competition. Mrs. Vishwakarma Seema, third prize in painting competition. Mr. Golab Gautam, first prize in artificial flower arrangement. Mrs. Kamble Sumedha, second prize in artificial flower arrangement. Mrs. Shirvalkar Ratika, first prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Shigwan Aarti, second prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Jadhav Shreya, second prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Kasude Archana, third prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Maurya Nishtha, first prize in Mehendi. Mrs. Sanchita Priyanka, second prize in Mehendi. Mrs. Kamble Varsha, third prize in Mehendi. Mrs. Lad Ruchi, first prize in jewelry making. Mrs. Chandan Geetha, second prize in jewelry making. Mrs. Rane Swanandi, second prize in jewelry making, third prize in elocution. Mr. Bone Satish, first prize in sketching. Mrs. Patil Poonam, third prize in jewelry making. Mrs. Shinde Sheetal, second prize in sketching. May I request the winners to kindly come forward for the group photograph. All the winners. Thank you, sir. May I now request our former principal ma'am, Mrs. Rekha Roira, to continue with the felicitation. Mr. Bone Satish, first prize in sketching. Mrs. Rajgurav Chaitali, first prize in solo dance. Mrs. Gurav Sanjana, second prize in solo dance. Mrs. Rajgurav Chaitali, first prize in solo dance. Mrs. Bhalerao Neha, third prize in solo dance. Mrs. Shinde Sheetal, second prize in sketching. Mr. Parav Vijay, first prize in singing. Parents, please put your hands together. Mrs. Mishra Pratima, second prize in singing. Mr. Savant Atil, third prize in singing. Mr. Jadav Shailesh, first prize in elocution. Mr. Tiwari Praveen Kumar, second prize in elocution. Mrs. Deshmukh Rekha, special prize in group dance, consolation prize in jewelry making. Mrs. Kunale Madhuri, special prize in group dance, consolation prize in jewelry making. Mrs. Savant Prachi, special prize in group dance. Mrs. Birajdar Sheetal, third prize in artificial flower arrangement and special prize in group dance. Mrs. Patil Saili, consolation prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Rane Kamini, consolation prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Gurav Swati, consolation prize in Rangoli. Mrs. Jadav Rupali, special prize in mono acting. May I request all the winners to kindly come forward for the group photograph. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, ma'am. The next set of awards are to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship and energy displayed by our parents during the annual sports meet. And to do the honors, may I request the guest of honor of today's function, Mr. Valvaikar, to kindly come forward. And the winners are Mr. Jadav Shailesh, first prize in sack race, first prize in kneading the flour. Mr. Bhavkar Shankar, second prize in sack race.
DJ Asif SK.
Mr. Narvekar Vivek, third prize in sack race. Mr. Jogdan Gautam, second prize in kneading the flour. Mr. Kadam Vinayak, third prize in kneading the flour. Mrs. Nikam Nikita, first prize in one-leg race, second prize in hula hoop race. Mrs. Gore Priyanka, second prize in one-leg race. Mrs. Nar Sheetal, third prize in one-leg race and third prize in hula hoop race. Mrs. Nigot Archana, first prize in hula hoop race. May I request the winners to kindly come forward for the group photograph?
Thank you. Now we will be felicitating the NIE Student of the Year Award, which goes to Ms. Gupta Nayan Guddu of Standard 10 and Ms. Vajrekar Aditi Ajay of Standard 10. I would request Sri Nalavadi sir to kindly felicitate them and bless them. They are receiving this award for their outstanding performance in Standard 9. All of you please put your hands together. Please wait for the photo session. Now, the most coveted award of the evening, Pioneer Prince and Princess Award. It goes to Master Thasale Harsh Sandesh of Standard 10, Pioneer Prince, and Ms. Gupta Nayan Guddu, Standard 10, Pioneer Princess. This award is sponsored by Dr. Vishesh Gopal Naik Sir and Mrs. Rupashri Vishesh Naik Ma'am, illustrious son and daughter-in-law of Srimati Geeta Gopal Naik Ma'am, former chairperson of Pioneer Education Trust.
DJ Asif
Audience, please
SK.
put your hands together. This is a very, very proud moment for both the students. They have been good in academics and all other co-curricular activities. They have been active throughout their school life and they deserve this award. I would request all the dignitaries to kindly come forward for a photo session. Thank you, sir, so much. With this, we come to the end of our prize distribution. Thank you.
Thank you, Debelina teacher and Pooja teacher. May I now request our esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Saurabh Walvaikar sir, kindly come forward and share a few words with us. We are truly honored by your presence today and we look forward to hear from you.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are having a great evening so far. And I can see every one of you is enjoying quite a lot, I would say. It's been a while that I have been here, and just standing here brings back a lot of memories. I was just telling Anira ma'am earlier that it feels a bit different to sit on this side of the dais. Because 12 years of my life, I was always sitting on the other side. So this feels a bit different and it feels great as well. I'll not take much of your time and I'll try to keep this quite short because I know you want to showcase your dance performances. So yeah, I'll try to keep this quite short. First and foremost, I would like to say a big thank you to Principal Anila ma'am for inviting me back to my alma mater, a place which is very close to my heart and definitely where I had one of the best moments of my childhood. It is truly a privilege to stand here today, here as an alumnus, and to share this wonderful evening with you all. As I look around, I see a lot of old but familiar faces. Anila ma'am, Preeti teacher, Debolina teacher, Sujata teacher, and Sonali teacher. Thank you all for your unwavering support throughout my academic journey. You not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in me the values of discipline and resilience, principles that continue to guide me in every facet of my life. Sandhya ma'am, she is not here today, but she was one of those teachers to whom we all looked up to for guidance and support. How can I forget Rakhi teacher, She was my class teacher when I was way back in my second standard. So thank you, ma'am, for your guidance and support throughout my journey here. Today we have Rekha Rohira ma'am as well. And the school you are seeing right now, the progress which has been done, she has played a big part in it. So thank you, ma'am, for your support. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Liladhar Bhau, Ramchandra Bhau, Nilima Bai and Manisha Bai, who took care of us especially when we stayed back after school to prepare for various competitions. So thanks a lot, Bhau and Bai, for supporting us. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my parents who have guided me and supported me a lot. So whatever success I have achieved, it's because of their support only. Now talking about the school days, I had the chance to participate in numerous competitions during my time, and I particularly remember mock parliament competition, then the science exhibition competition. Those were the days of fun and excitement as well as lot of learnings. I still remember the excitement of annual day when I was a student. The days of preparation, the nerves before stepping onto the stage, and the applause that made every effort worthwhile. It was during such events that many of us discovered hidden talents, gained confidence, and learned the importance of teamwork. Now, to all the students sitting here, especially to the SSC batch, I know you guys are sitting here or must be standing, and who will be passing out in the coming year, I want to remind you that please enjoy these school days to the fullest, because they won't come back again. You won't get another opportunity to sit in the classroom, attend lectures with your friends. So please enjoy these moments as much as you can. 10-15 years down the line, no matter what you do in your professional or personal life, these days won't come back again, and only thing you will have are these memories. So take part in every activity, laugh with your friends, do a little masti. It's fine, you can do a little masti now and there. And make memories that you'll cherish forever. These moments, big or small, will become stories you look back on with a smile. So make the most of this wonderful time and treasure every experience. Always remember, be kind and show gratitude to the people who have supported you. Behind every success are teachers, parents, friends and mentors who believed in you. Don't take their efforts for granted. A simple thank you can mean a lot. Remind yourself to always stay humble no matter how far you go in life. Last but not the least, I wish each and every one of you all the very best for your future. Never doubt yourself, dream big, work hard, and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. I would also like to take this opportunity to wish Anila ma'am, all the teaching and non-teaching staff continued success and growth in the years to come. Thank you, and let's have a fantastic evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Valvaikar, for your kind and motivating words. Your insights are truly inspiring, and we are grateful for your presence today. Now, may I request our distinguished chief guest, Shri Umesh Kumar Rustagi sir, to kindly come forward and address the gathering. Your words of wisdom and encouragement will surely inspire us all.
Good evening. As all the distinguished guests sitting on the dais, Prakash sir, Principal ma'am, Saurabh ji, all respected parents, teachers, and my dear young friends. I know it's all colorful atmosphere. First of all, a big thank you for giving me this opportunity to be among with all of you. Taking me back to my school days, I could recollect some of the memories. It's almost 45 years from now. So, winning prizes, it gives a different kind of feeling. And I could see there were more than 100 people recognition. Such kind of recognition or to the performance. At that time when we were in schools, recognition was only to the marks, you can say. There were not many, holistic development now we call. We have seen today everybody, I think, from parents, from teachers, from young school students, from sports performance. So all of them have been recognized, and that shows that nowadays schools are providing much more holistic development for the career, for the life making, for making them good citizen, as ma'am has told, Soroji also has told. Since I am from science background or science center, I would like to give a couple of messages from that field. I hope all of you have been to Nehru Science Center and enjoyed this wonderful land. If not, I'll request all of you, whenever you find time, please do visit. We are open all 363 days in a normal year and 364 days in a leap year, because we have only 2 holidays, Holi and Diwali. All other days we are open for you, we are at your service. Science, when we say science, normally we take it as a subject, but it's part of our life. Whatever you see, the colorful light here, LED lights nowadays, these children wearing different dresses, what you eat, how do you sleep, everywhere you will find some sort of science. So take it in your life. Accept that it's part of your life. It's not subject, it's part of your life. It can make your life much more comfortable. Even if you are in sports, even if you are teaching, even if you are listening, if you are learning, everywhere you can find these components. I don't think anybody will say, sometimes we don't know, but even in your kitchen, even in your bathroom, everywhere it is there. So if we know it, we can make, because lot of problems we are facing, particularly this new young generation, they might curse us if we don't follow or don't accept science in our life, because earth is already facing lot of pressure. Our children will curse us that what they have done to the earth, because they were not aware, or they will say our parents were illiterate, they were not aware about science, they were not aware about the environment. Would you like to give, listen these things from our children? No, I don't think so. We can together, all the teachers, those who are sitting, they have created wonderful show. They do lot of hard work, I should say. I think whatever I am there also today, I always recognize that whatever I am there today, it is because of my teachers. So I think all of you people should put your hands together for our respected teachers. Give them a big round of applause. They do a lot of hard work. And people take it, it's a very noble profession. But I have done teaching also. It's not an easy job. If you want to do justice to the profession, it's not an easy job. You have to refresh yourself. Children are much more equipped with information. They can ask any question. And they feel proud. Sometimes teacher is not able to answer. So teachers have to prepare a lot. They have to refresh them. So they deserve a lot of recognition, which we have done. And I think they get much more pleasure when their children or their students get rewarded. Like Sauravji is sitting here. So those teachers who have taught him, perhaps they will definitely be feeling proud for that. Now I will not take much time. I know a lot of performances are there, and when different atmosphere is there, and somebody come and speak and give a boring speech, then people will curse. But since we do a lot of hands-on activities, I'll request all of you so that you can remember me. You know, what all of you can do is put your hands together like this. Okay, now do what I am asking you to do. Middle finger, put both your middle fingers, all of you can do, or maybe I will come forward, I don't know. Those who cannot see me, that also. Okay, curl middle of finger like this, so that it can touch your palm. Okay? Now put both of them together. Okay, can I have my eyes?
Check.
You cannot see me. Since we do a lot of demonstration, I will request, hold your middle finger inside like this, okay? Do the same thing with your left hand also. All of you should do. Bring them together like this. Thumb should touch with thumb, First finger with finger, first finger, ring finger with ring finger, and little finger, and close your palm like this, no gap, and no cheating. Huh? Now let us do. Separate your thumb. It happens. Please do it. You will enjoy it. First finger, separate. It happens. Little finger, this also happens. Now ring finger. It doesn't happen. Parents should do it, because I am going to ask them a question. Particularly those who are married, parents, they are already married. So those, they should do. Because when we say, ये ring finger है ना, बोलते इसमें ही क्यों बनाते हैं? देखो ये अलग नहीं हुआ ना. It doesn't get separate. But that's not the case. That is in the society. इसमें इसीलिए पहनाते हैं कि जब शादी हो, engagement हो, तो दो दिल मिल जाए, अलग नहीं होने चाहिए. Nobody wants to get separate. Only the situation sometimes turns around. Okay? But there is a lot of science behind this. I'm not going to explain. Try to find out answer. Google Baba is there. Maybe many other engines are there. If not, write to me at Nehru Science Center. I will reply to the emails. Okay? They will do. It will do. Particularly you people. If not, visit us. I will let you know the answers for that. But don't get what a point I want to make. Don't follow unnecessary things. Have the scientific temper. Scientific temper means rationality, logical. भगवान भी आके कहे तो नहीं मानना है. जब तक आप कन्विंस ना हो, पेरेंट्स कहे नहीं मानना है, टीचर्स करे नहीं, आपको पहले कन्विंस होना है. यस, टीचर सेज accept it if you are convinced. That's what the scientific temper means. And scientific temper doesn't mean only the science. It is applicable to everybody. Okay? So that is the point I wanted to make. Please follow this. If somebody says anything, don't, what is called blind faith. Andhvishwas doesn't mean if you do something maybe in religious place only. Anything which you accept blindfold. If I say something, you accept because unhone kaha hai. No, that is blind faith. So don't do that. Be wise. Okay, be educated, be learned, and accept when you are convinced, and it happens, then only. Okay, so thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be among with you all. With a request once again, please do visit us, and we can help teachers also. Together, we are not competitors to the schools, we are supplement. So if you need anything, if you need to make project, if you need some teaching aids to make your science, school science much more interesting, we are there to help you out. Please do approach us, and we'll give you something by which you can explain again and again and again. So we make jobs of teacher much easier. Okay? So thank you. It's already, I think, late. All of you are waiting. I think there will be a couple of more speech, and then for the colorful dance and festival means songs. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us. Your words have touched and inspired us all, and we are truly honored by your presence. Lastly, may I request Shri Prakash Nalavde, sir, the Honorable Secretary of Pioneer Education Trust and the President of today's function, to kindly come forward and share his thoughts with us. We are grateful for your leadership and continued support, and we are eagerly looking forward to hear your inspiring message, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. स्टेज पे उपस्थित टाटा साइंस सेंटर्स के डॉक्टर उमेश कुमार रस्तोगी सर, हमारी एक स्टूडेंट सौरभ वालवाईकर, द ग्रेट रोहिरा मैम, एंड Anila ma'am, Rakhi ma'am, all parents, मेरे दोस्त लोग, और सबसे आज जिनका कंट्रीब्यूशन सबसे बड़ा है वो हमारे सब लविंग टीचर्स। आपको पता होगा कि आप हम लोग जो देख रहे हैं इन परफॉर्मेंस, उसके लिए कितना एफर्ट्स दिया गया होगा इसका आपको अंदाज तो होगा ही। मुझे तो लगता है सबसे पहले उसको डिसाइड करना पड़ता होगा कि एग्जैक्टली क्या परफॉर्मेंस करना है यहाँ पे आके बच्चों ने, फिर उसकी ट्रेनिंग देनी है, उसके लिए कॉस्ट्यूम्स सिलेक्ट करने हैं, और आखिर में जब भी वो यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करते हैं तो वहाँ पे कॉर्नर में खड़ा होके भाई टेंशन में खड़ा रहना है और देखना है कि भाई परफॉर्मेंस बराबर हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है। ये सब चीज़ें लास्ट 1 मंथ आई थिंक दे मस्ट बी वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन दैट। सो मैं उनको काफ़ी बधाई देता हूँ। अभी तक जो मैंने परफॉर्मेंस देखे वो बहुत बढ़िया थे, और जो बचे हुए परफॉर्मेंस है वो भी बढ़िया ही होंगे, ये मुझे खातरी है। और मेरे दोस्त लोग जो यहाँ पे बैठे हैं तो मेरे ख्याल से दे आर ईगर टू परफॉर्म, है ना? क्यों? यस, वी आर ऑल्सो ईगर टू वॉच यू हाउ यू परफॉर्म। आज के दिन यहाँ पे कुछ मेरे ख्याल से सैकड़ों पेरेंट्स यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, उनके लिए मैं कुछ 2 शब्द कहना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे। एज ए सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द ट्रस्ट, हमारी 2 स्कूल है, माटुंगा और यहाँ पे कांदिवली, करीबन 3,500-4,500 हजार बच्चे हमारे साथ पढ़ते हैं। बच्चों को अच्छा से अच्छा पढ़ाई देना, उनके लिए अच्छे से सुविधा देना, जितना ज़्यादा दे सकते हैं वो देने की हम कोशिश करते रहते हैं। जैसे कि आपने देखा ये साल से हम लोगों ने 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th के लिए स्पेनिश लैंग्वेज सिखाने को शुरू किया है विदाउट एनी चार्जेस टू द पेरेंट्स। आप ध्यान में रखिए, इट कॉस्ट हेविली टू द ट्रस्ट, यस, लेकिन उसके हमको कुछ गम नहीं। ये 4 साल का प्रोग्राम है, 1 साल में नहीं आपके बच्चे ट्रेन होने वाले, 4 साल का प्रोग्राम है। आज जो 5वीं में बच्चे वो जब तक 8th में जाते तभी ये प्रोग्राम खत्म होगा, उनको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा जो इंटरनेशनली वैलिड होगा। ऐसा ये प्रोग्राम है, कैच देम यंग ऐसा बोलते हैं पढ़ाई में। तो छोटे बच्चे ज़्यादा फास्ट सीखते हैं, इसके लिए हम लोगों ने 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th के लिए चालू किया ताकि वो जल्दी से जल्दी ये लैंग्वेज सीखे। पूरे वर्ल्ड में आज 2 नंबर की लैंग्वेज ये है स्पेनिश, जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बोली जाती है। मैं कुछ दिन पहले US गया था, वहाँ पे मैंने देखा इंग्लिश से ज़्यादा वहाँ पे स्पेनिश का यूज़ हो रहा था। तो मैंने सोचा यस, अपने बच्चों को ये पढ़ाई होनी चाहिए। कल मेरे बच्चे भी जाएंगे, US जाएंगे, यहाँ पे यूरोप में जाएंगे, ये सब जगह पे स्पेनिश का काफ़ी इस्तेमाल होता है। तो उनको वो कभी भी हम कम है ऐसा उनको नहीं लगना चाहिए। इसके लिए हम लोगों ने ये प्रोग्राम शुरू किया। उसके साथ हम संस्कृत भी सिखाते। अभी आपने एक वर्ड सुना होगा काफ़ी दफ़ा, होलिस्टिक एजुकेशन, राइट? अभी होलिस्टिक का मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है? होली, यू नो होली, व्हाट इज पवित्र? हम लोग कहते हैं, पवित्र को कहते हैं होली। तो होलिस्टिक पवित्र जो हम लोग परफॉर्मेंस कहते हैं, तो मुझे मेरा जो इसका ये जो मैं मीनिंग निकालता हूँ उसका, तो मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कि होलिस्टिक मीन्स व्हाट? तो बच्चों को सिर्फ हम मराठी में कहते हैं कि उनको सुशिक्षित करना है क्या? हम बच्चों को सुशिक्षित करते हैं क्या सिर्फ? नो, इट इज़ नॉट देन होलिस्टिक। उनको यदि हम सुसंस्कृत करते हैं तो दैट इज़ होलिस्टिक, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। समाज में आज अपना देश आगे लेके जाने के लिए, अपने समाज को आगे लेके जाने के लिए यदि कुछ चाहिए तो ये होलिस्टिक परफॉर्मेंस होने की ज़रूरत है, सिखाने की ज़रूरत है बच्चों को। मैं पेरेंट्स को एक ही बात, 2 मैं इंसिडेंट्स कहना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं ग्राउंड लेवल पे काम करता हूँ। महीने के 15 दिन मैं अपने संस्था के लिए देता हूँ। हम लोग ऑनरी काम करते हैं, बट इट्स अ पैशन फॉर मी। जो इंसिडेंट्स में देखता हूँ वो अब तक पहुँचाने की मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी लगती है कि पेरेंट्स ने बहुत अलर्ट होना ज़रूरी है सब चीज़ के लिए। सवेरे हम पेपर खोलते हैं, न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं, तो हम क्या पढ़ते हैं आजकल ज़्यादा करके? हम ये पढ़ते हैं कि बच्चों पे हुए अत्याचार हम पढ़ते हैं। तो हम अलर्ट हो रहे हैं कि नहीं, ये मैं आपको सबको पूछना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे खड़े रह के। दोस्तों, मैं आपको 2 इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ। पहला इंसिडेंट मैं कहाँ कौन से स्कूल में नहीं हुआ ये नहीं बताता हूँ, लेकिन यस मुझे पता है, शायद अपने स्कूल में से भी हुआ होगा। एक बच्ची सवेरे 7 बजे स्कूल में आई, 7th स्टैंडर्ड की बच्ची। ध्यान से सुनिए भाई सब लोग, पेरेंट्स लोग, इट्स वेरी सीरियस। 7th क्लास की बच्ची, यानी करीबन मेरे ख्याल से 12-13 साल की बच्ची होगी, वो स्कूल में आई, बस उसने देखा, पेरेंट ने देखा कि स्कूल का गेट दिखाई दे रहा है, उसको लेके आए थे पेरेंट। उसने कहा बेटा तू अभी जा स्कूल में, हम लोग जा रहे हैं घर पे। मॉर्निंग 7 बजे की टाइम थी, पेरेंट्स निकल गए। कुछ टाइम के बाद बच्ची घर पे गई रोते रोते, स्कूल में नहीं आई बच्ची। और उसने जाके पेरेंट्स को ये बताया कि किसी ने मेरे मुंह पे हाथ रखा जैसे आप निकल गए, और वो मुझे खींचने को चालू किया। सो पेरेंट्स गॉट पैनिक्ड, दे केम टू स्कूल। उन्होंने कहा ऐसा ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो गया। हमने कहा आपकी बच्ची तो प्रेजेंट नहीं थी इसमें स्कूल में। आज फॉर्चुनेटली हम लोगों ने सभी स्कूलों में काफ़ी आपके जो कैमरेज लगे रहते हैं, हर एक चीज़ हम देख सकते हैं, उसमें देखा गया तो बच्ची तो अंदर आई नहीं स्कूल में। तो बच्ची गई कहाँ पे, बच्ची थी कहाँ पे आधा एक घंटे के लिए, ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन आ गया। काफ़ी कैमरेज लगे थे, सब कैमरे का हम लोगों ने वीडियो शूटिंग देख लिया, लेकिन कुछ मिला नहीं हमें। हम लोगों ने पेरेंट्स को कहा आप जाके पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेंट लॉन्च कीजिएगा। पेरेंट ने जाके कंप्लेंट लॉन्च किया, पुलिस आ गए। पुलिस ने सब वीडियो को जो क्लिप्स थी वो देखी। उन्होंने भी कहा कि भाई बच्ची तो आई नहीं है स्कूल में, बच्चे गई कहाँ पे। लकीली आजकल आजू बाजू के रोड पे भी काफ़ी कैमरे लगे रहते हैं, सोसाइटीज़ में कैमरे लगे रहते हैं। पुलिस एक्टिव हो गए। 7th स्टैंडर्ड की बच्ची है, तो इट वॉज अ सीरियस केस। और वो कहती है कि किसी ने मेरे मुंह पे हाथ रख के खींच के लेके जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था, तो इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस केस है। इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग एट 7 o'clock, यू जस्ट इमेजिन। पुलिस ने बाजू के सोसाइटी के जो ये थे क्लिप्स थे, वीडियो क्लिप्स थे, वो उस दिन के देखे। तो उन्होंने क्या देखा होगा,